Imagine this: every year, heart attacks affect approximately 85,000 people just in the US alone, and with cardiovascular disease leading as the global cause of death, the stakes are incredibly high. The truly alarming part? A heart attack can strike anywhere, at home, in your car, or at work, often catching you completely off guard. When this critical moment hits, the actions you take within the first few seconds can dramatically swing the odds of survival in your favor or against it. That's why we're here today. In this video, we're going to walk you through the immediate, life-saving steps you should take if you find yourself experiencing a heart attack when you're alone. Knowing what to do can mean the difference between life and death. So, let's dive right in and arm ourselves with the knowledge that could save our lives or the lives of our loved ones. Stick around, because these tips are invaluable. Number 1, recognize the symptoms. When it comes to heart attacks, recognizing the symptoms early on is absolutely crucial. Let's break down these key symptoms so you know exactly what to watch out for. The most common telltale sign is chest pain. It's not just any pain, it often feels like a squeezing, fullness, or a painful pressure right in the center of your chest. This pain can last for more than a few minutes, or it might go away and then come back. But a heart attack isn't always just about chest pain. You might also experience shortness of breath, which can occur before or alongside the chest discomfort. Another major red flag is nausea, which can sometimes be accompanied by lightheadedness or even fainting. And let's not forget discomfort in other areas of the upper body. This could include pain or an unusual feeling in one or both arms, the back, neck, jaw, or stomach. Understanding these symptoms is one thing, but recognizing them in real time and responding quickly is what really counts. Time is muscle. The longer a heart attack goes untreated, the more damage it does to the heart muscle, which can have long-term effects on your health. So, if you or someone you know starts exhibiting these symptoms, don't wait it out or try to tough it out. Every second counts. Acting swiftly not only increases your chances of survival, but also minimizes the potential for serious heart damage. Let's keep these symptoms in mind and make sure to act immediately if they arise. Number 2, call emergency services immediately. When you suspect a heart attack, the first thing you need to do is call 911 or your local emergency services without any delay. This isn't the time to second-guess your symptoms or worry about false alarms. Remember, when it comes to heart attacks, it's always better to be safe than sorry. Now, when you make that call, clarity and calmness are key. You'll need to communicate effectively with the dispatcher. Start by stating that you believe you're having a heart attack. Describe your symptoms clearly and concisely, mention the chest pain, any issue with your breathing, nausea, or discomfort in other areas like your arms or jaw. It's also crucial to inform them that you are alone. This will alert them to the urgency of the situation, ensuring that the response is swift and prepared for an unassisted entry if necessary. The dispatcher might also give you some instructions over the phone. It's important to follow these instructions closely and stay on the line until help arrives. They are trained to guide you through the situation and help keep you as stable as possible while the emergency team is en route. Remember, the decision to call for help immediately could be the decision that saves your life. Emergency services are there to help and have the tools and knowledge to provide critical assistance. Let them do their job by giving them the information they need as soon as you can. Number 3, take an aspirin, if advised. If you find yourself in a situation where you suspect a heart attack, taking an aspirin could be a vital step, but it comes with important caveats. Aspirin, at a dose of 325 milligrams, can be a game changer because it helps to thin the blood and reduce clotting, which is often the culprit behind a heart attack. By chewing the aspirin, not just swallowing it, you speed up its absorption into your bloodstream, which can help to minimize the damage to your heart. However, it's crucial to approach this advice with caution. Aspirin isn't suitable for everyone. For instance, if you have certain conditions like a bleeding disorder, or if you're allergic to aspirin, taking it could be harmful. That's why it's essential to have a conversation with your healthcare provider about whether you should use aspirin in an emergency situation involving a heart attack. This conversation should ideally happen long before such an emergency arises, so you're prepared and know exactly what to do without hesitation. Furthermore, while aspirin can be beneficial, it should never replace calling emergency services. Think of it as a supportive measure while you wait for professional medical help to arrive. Keep this in mind, your first action should always be to call for help, and then, if advised and you have no contraindications, consider taking an aspirin. This layered approach to managing a heart attack could significantly improve your outcome and might just save your life. Number 4, unlock your door. In the event of a heart attack, especially when you're alone, every second counts. An often overlooked but crucial step is to unlock your front door. Why is this important? It ensures that when the emergency responders arrive, they can enter your home quickly and without any delay. Remember, in emergencies like these, any time spent getting to you is time that could be used treating you. Here's what to do. If you feel the symptoms of a heart attack and you've already called for help, make your way to the door if it's safe and feasible. Unlock it. If you have the strength and it doesn't exacerbate your condition, you might even consider opening the door slightly. This not only speeds up the responder's access, but also signals to them that you are inside and in urgent need of help. This action might seem small, but it eliminates the need for emergency services to force entry, which can be time-consuming and potentially damaging. In situations where every minute is critical to the survival and recovery outcomes, having an unlocked door can quite literally be the difference between life and death. It's also a good idea to keep your phone accessible so you can communicate with the dispatcher until help arrives. They may instruct you to remain on the line, provide updates on your condition, or guide you through additional steps to keep you stable until the emergency team takes over. Number 5, sit down, stay calm. In the critical moments after recognizing the symptoms of a heart attack and calling for emergency help, how you manage yourself is pivotal. One of the key pieces of advice is to sit down and stay calm. Let's explore why this is so crucial and how to do it effectively. First, find a safe and comfortable place to sit. Choose a seat with good back support, such as a sturdy chair or against a wall. This position helps to stabilize your body and reduces the strain on your heart. Avoid lying flat, as this can sometimes increase the workload on your heart. Once seated, it's important to minimize any physical movement. Unnecessary activity can increase your heart's demand for oxygen, which is exactly what we want to avoid during a heart attack. Keep movements slow and to a minimum, focusing on staying as relaxed as possible. Now, let's talk about staying calm. Experiencing a heart attack is extremely stressful, but panicking can exacerbate the situation. Deep, controlled breathing can help manage this stress. Try to breathe slowly and deeply, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. This type of breathing helps to lower your heart rate and maintain oxygen levels, which is vital for your heart's health. Remember, conserving your energy and staying calm isn't just about making you feel better, it's a critical part of reducing the workload on your heart and preserving its function while you wait for medical help. Keep these steps in mind as part of your emergency response to ensure you're giving yourself the best possible chance during such a frightening experience. Number 6, do not drive yourself to the hospital. In the midst of a heart attack, it might seem like a reasonable decision to drive yourself to the hospital. However, this is strongly advised against for several crucial reasons. Let's break down why driving yourself is not just risky, but could potentially worsen the situation. Firstly, during a heart attack, your ability to operate a vehicle safely is severely compromised. The symptoms, such as severe chest pain, dizziness, shortness of breath, and nausea, can significantly impair your physical and mental capabilities. This not only puts your own life at risk, but also endangers other road users. There's also the possibility of losing consciousness, which could lead to catastrophic outcomes on the road. Moreover, when you drive yourself, you delay the start of medical treatment. Ambulances are equipped with life-saving equipment and trained medical personnel who can begin treatment immediately upon their arrival. This early intervention is often crucial and can significantly impact the outcome of a heart attack. In contrast, time spent driving is time lost in combating the effects of the heart blockage. Therefore, the best action is to call for an ambulance. Ensure you communicate clearly with the emergency dispatcher about your symptoms and your location. Waiting for an ambulance might feel like a delay, but it ensures that you receive medical care as quickly as possible and in a controlled manner, which is vital for your survival and recovery. Remember, in a heart attack, every second counts, and professional medical assistance is your best bet. Number 7. Inform someone nearby if possible. If you're experiencing a heart attack and you've already called emergency services, another important step is to alert someone nearby if possible. This could be a neighbor, a friend living close by, or even a passerby. Having someone else know about your situation can provide additional help and ensure you're not alone while waiting for medical assistance. Here's how you can do it. If you have the ability to speak and a phone handy, consider sending a quick text message or making a call to someone close by. Clearly state that you are having a serious medical emergency and need immediate help. If talking is too difficult, use any pre-installed emergency features on your mobile device that can send an alert with your location to your emergency contacts. For those who might not have the strength or ability to speak loudly, consider using a personal alarm system if you have one. These systems are designed to alert emergency services or designated contacts with the press of a button. They are particularly useful for individuals who live alone or are prone to medical emergencies. Moreover, in today's connected world, many smart home devices can also assist in such situations. Devices like smart speakers can be voice-activated to call someone or even dial emergency services, provided this feature is set up in advance. Letting someone nearby know about your condition isn't just about having immediate physical assistance, it's also about having someone who can provide emotional support, stay on the line with emergency operators if needed, and help guide medical personnel to your exact location once they arrive. This quick action could be instrumental in managing the situation more effectively until professional help arrives. Preventive measures for the future. Taking proactive steps to prevent future heart attacks is as crucial as knowing how to respond when one occurs. Certain individuals are at higher risk for heart attacks due to lifestyle factors or pre-existing conditions. These include high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, obesity, smoking, and physical inactivity. Regular checkups can help you understand your personal risk factors and what you can do to mitigate them. Your healthcare provider can offer strategies tailored to your specific health needs and help you prepare for potential emergencies. Modifying your lifestyle can significantly reduce your risk of a heart attack. Focus on a heart-healthy diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. It's important to limit intake of salt, added sugars, and unhealthy fats. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity activity each week, such as brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. Regular physical activity helps improve heart health and maintain a healthy weight. If you smoke, seek resources to help you quit. Limit alcohol consumption and find effective ways to manage stress, like mindfulness, yoga, or regular exercise. Being prepared can make all the difference in an emergency. Ensure that your phone is always charged and within easy reach. Also, keep any prescribed emergency medications, like nitroglycerin, readily available. Familiarize yourself with the quickest routes to the nearest hospital. In case of an emergency, knowing where to go without hesitation can save valuable time. Make sure family members or close friends are aware of your health status. In case of an emergency, they can provide crucial information to healthcare providers or assist in getting you the help you need. By integrating these preventive and preparatory measures into your daily life, you can significantly lower your risk of a heart attack and ensure that you and those around you are ready to act swiftly should one occur. As we conclude, remember the critical steps to take if you suspect a heart attack. Recognize the symptoms, call emergency services immediately, take an aspirin if advised, unlock your door, sit down and stay calm, avoid driving yourself, and alert someone nearby. Quick recognition and immediate action are essential to improving survival rates. We've also discussed preventive measures like understanding your risk factors, making lifestyle adjustments, and being prepared. Implementing these can significantly reduce your risk and ensure you're ready in case of an emergency. Please share this video with friends and family. Spreading awareness is key to helping others recognize and respond to heart attacks effectively. Don't forget to subscribe for more life-saving tips and check out our related videos on recognizing the early signs of major health issues. Together, we can save lives and foster a community of health and awareness.